Play ball! Coral to Sanko. Coral again to Moniba. Moniba ball pick. Spin move. How? Jersey number 18. Two shots. Pwede lang ka palakpakan at team, ha? Nice. Ano na yan? Oy, moral support na yun. Last throw. Alipato. Foul. Higed foul. Handbound, Sanko for 3, short. Outside. White ball. Alipato. Atake. Alipato. Foul. Lumugdang. Made one. Made two. Valdemar. Bring down the ball. Sanko, Pilipensa. Valdemar pull up. Wala. Rebound by Sanko. Pass to long. Coral. Coral. Oy! Bought back by Moniba. 2 points. Valdemar. Oy, outside. By Losada. McCoy inbound to Valdemar. Back to McCoy. McCoy to Valdemar. Valdemar. Short. Rebound by Shason. Shason. Shason again. Oy, nice block by Alipato. Rebound by Sanko. Coral, atake. Atake. Oy, wala. Rebound by Moneba. Yes, 2 points by Moneba. Valdemar. Paso Shason. Naganap ng pasan. Shason. Atake. Tumakoy. Wala. Foul. By Losada. Higit. Tumakoy.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Valdemar. 5 to shoot. Shason for 3. Yes! What a shot by Shason. Coral.
4:30.
Time minutes, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Alipato mula rebound by Higit. McCoy. Pass to Valdemar. Valdemar. Drive. Oy, tapay Coral. Alipato. Pass to Losada. Yeah! 62 by Losada. Nice game. Time out.
4 minutes 7.
shooting.
4-7.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 7 seconds. And fouled by Shason. McCoy. Pass to Iged. Iged to Valdemar. Valdemar. Outside. Nice defense by Losada. And fouled to McCoy. McCoy. Ball take. Oy! Traveling violation. Kitang-kita sa kamera. O taba, kung di referente, hindi ka na yung pormaya. Veterans niya. Coral. Oy, floater by Coral. Oy, grabe rebound ni Valdemar. Pass to Shason. Shason again. Ay, spin ball by Shason. Foul by Coral.
8 seconds violation.
8 seconds violation.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Tanda ng referente yan, hindi ka nakaporma yan. Coral. Tulosada. To Rake. Rake, Iged, dumidepensa. Sako for 3. Wala. Outside. Global.
Nakoy, nakoy!
Lumugtang. Kabaldimar. Oy, sayang yun.
2:20.
Time minutes, 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Coral. Oy! Nice pass. Wala. Rebound by McCoy. McCoy. Pinabang bola. McCoy, atake! Wow! By Coral. Grabe nga depensa. Tanda mo man si McCoy ba? And back to Alipato. Pass, Alipato. Alipato. Oy! Ans po yun. Foul.
Number 22.
Lumogdang. Foul.
Second.
Second personal foul by Lumogdang.
1:54.
Time remaining 1 minute and 54 seconds. Not made. Last throw. Made one by Alipato. Iged. Valdemar. Back to Iged. To McCoy. To Shason. Triple team. 10 to shoot. Pass to McCoy. Atake. 5 to shoot. Oy! What a foul by Losada. 2 shots, right?
1 minute 20.
1 minute and 20 seconds remaining time. Daway ka palakpak ang blue game mo. Ito palakpak yung mo ng blue. Away pa ka-shot? Ara na. Ka-shot na. Ang coach na kasi sabi mo, susang coach na. Hindi lang pag-lalo ng coach na matawag niya. Not made one. Foul, Iged. Wala pa.
1 minute 17.
1 minute and 17 seconds remaining time. Inbound by Losada to Coral. Coral to Moniba. Moniba pull up. Wala. Oy, outside by Losada. Moniba. To Baldimar.
1 minute.
Time remaining 1 minute. Baldimar, lumediskarte. Paso, lumugang. Makoy! Oy, nice pass by Makoy! And one by Shason. Nice play. Anggoy, kayo mo ito nag-ingat mo. 45 seconds remaining time. Yes, made one by Shason. Maneba. Pass to Losada. Losada. Oy, wala. Rebound by Baldimar. 35 seconds. Nice move. Makoy. Wala pa rin. Oy, grabe rebound. Nalipado. To Moniba. Moniba. Yes. So point. Time. 20 seconds. Remaining time. 15 remaining time. 10 to shoot. 5, 4, 3, 2. Time's up. What a game. End of first quarter. Score 7-12, led by Blue Team.
Ariel White. Ariel?
Ay, ito na ba? White team, hindi ka bansa? Sorry. Gamay ka bansa. Zero, daw. Ano lang to, yan ang na. Ako ang adrenaline, ako ang tulad. Ano yung start pa kayo? Pero wait, natin ito yung start. Second team. Start of second quarter.
Bluta? Ah, yeah, Allen. Bluta. Allen. Bluta. Blue.
Wait, kasi sila.
Bluta, blue. Ay, papas. 7.
Adolan. Pasa Montino. Pontino. Ay, wala. Rebound by Jersey. 0-0. Denosta. Peñas. Señorosa. Back to Jensky. Isito yun. Adolan. Paso Hinete. To Gabales, swing move. Boy, what a move by Gabales. Jensky to Peñas. Back to Jensky again. Kabanay. To Denosta. Señorosa. To Peñas. To Jensky.
Time to shoot.
Time to shoot. Peñas. Long 3 years. What a shot by Peñas. Gabales. Screen by Pontino. to Adolan. Back to Gabales. 10 to shoot. Pull up. Oy! Wrong pass by Gabales. Banay. To Jensky. Jensky! Sure ball yun. Gabales. To Contino. Contino. Atake. Oy! Wala sumobra. Rebound by Dinosta. Dinosta. Back to Piñas. To Gabales. Banay. To Jensky. Pull up. Yes! Favorite shot. Time out. Looting.
5:20 time remaining.
Time remaining 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Nag-iinit ng white team. Score?
21-9.
21-9 naman sila. 21-9 led by white team. Pamati sa coach nyo para hindi pa kayo doon Let's play ball! And bound by Hadolan. To Gabales. De Jase. Back to Puntino. To Adolan. For 3. Oy, wala. Dinosa to Jensky. Back to Dinosa. Save the ball. Senyarosa. To Piñas again. Piñas for 3. Oy. Short. Outside. Gabales inbound to Puntino. Guwapong guwapo. Gabales. Nice pass. Hinite. Yeah. What a play. Senyarosa. Pasujensky. Back to Senyarosa. To Piñas. Senyarosa again. To Piñas. To Jensky. Yeah. Ganda ng play. Time. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Gabales. For 3. Yes! Gabales for 3 again. Denosta. Paso Jensky. Jensky. Last shots by Hinete. White ball. Banay. Banay. Back to Jensky. 10 to shoot. Senyarosa. Long 3. Wala. Oy, rebound by Gabales. Oy. Jensky. To Banay. Yes. 2 points. Gabales to Didase. Didase. Foul. Jensky. Side ball.
304.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 4 seconds. Adolan. Adolan to Puntino. Oy, short, sayang yun. Denosta. Denosta to Jensky. Wala. No foul. Puntino. Puntino. Wala pa rin. Paso Piñas. Oy, sayang yun. Time. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Gabales. To Puntino. Ganda na pasa. Oy, short pa rin. Puntino. Wala pa rin. Ang dami nun. 2 shots. Time. Time remaining 2 minutes and 18 seconds. Last throw. Wala pa rin. Hinete. Hinete pull-up jumper. Yes. Signature shot by Hinete. Senyarosa. Oy! Sayang. Last. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Ayaw malis ka?
Time remaining 2 minutes. Gabalas. Hadolan. Hadolan, atake. Oy, lost stats by Hadolan. Grabe yung depensa ni Señorosa. Jensky. Paso Señorosa. Paso Dinosa. Back to Señorosa. To Piñas. Jensky. Take the shot. Five to shoot. Wala. Oy! Foul. He needed foul. Time.
121.
1:21 remaining time. Banay. Banay. Yes. What a move by Banay. Ang coach niya, hindi pagpapasa yun. Gabales. Gabales. Uy! Still. Jensky. Banay for 2.
15 seconds.
50 seconds remaining time. 50 seconds. Deda si Jensky dumidepensa.
40.
40 seconds. Henete. Henete. Yes. 2 points. 30 seconds. 25. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Rebound by Gabales. 5 seconds. Time's up. End of second pa lang, no? Second quarter. Next game. Gainit ng white team. Anong pasulod? Ang mga gwapo lang? Mga gwapo sulod Ang cute mili lang anay.
Plasta, Alex.
There, sulod.
Plus.
8.
Diyan, Diablo.
Plus 8 ang blue team. Kadalong and the house. Start of third quarter. And bound by Coral. Sancor, receive the ball. Back to Coral. Oy, Kadulom yun. Kadulom, strong move. Got fouled by Ero.
Hindi na pagkamaliyop. Ano pa, itang pagit.
Last throw. Shout out by Iliad. Oy, wala. Rebound by Evangelio. Evangelio. Paso Ero. Ero. Oy! Wala pa naka-warm up ha. Wala pa nakapulaw. Señorosa.
Kailan pre? Kailan pre?
Paso Coral. Coral. Oy, inanaw.
Oy, tabileg! Tabileg! Tabileg!
Foul.
Red!
Hadolan foul.
Tabileg! Wait. Good. Look out na.
Senyarosa. Tokoral. Oy, floater. No? Sayang. Rebound by Evangelio. Evangelio. Last touch. Senyarosa. Pasok Kadulom. Kadulom. Foul by Rojo.
Second personal
Second personal
foul.
foul by Rojo. 2 shots by Kadulom. Made 1. Sino shout out ka? Arnold, shout out. Boy, made 2 by Kadulom. Nothing but net, kaya wala man net.
Nating lunet.
Nothing no net. Hadolan, the veterans. Hadolan, nice pass to Ricky Ron. Oy, grabe yun. Seryoso si Ricky Ron kung makashot ba? Coral, to Kadulom. Kadulom, atake. Kadulom, wala.
Okay.
Outside.
6 minutes.
Time remaining 6 minutes. Sanko to Senyarosa. For 3, yes! Corner 3 by Senyarosa. Erojo. Paso Japante. Erojo. Erojo. Drive through. Blocking foul by Kadulo. Wala. Last row. Chung pass out kay Chung Paboy. Ano to out? Made 1 by Rojo. Senyarosa. To Kadulom. Kadulom set the play. Senyarosa.
Di ako tira!
10 shoot. Peñas. Back to Senyarosa. Senyarosa to Sanko. 5 to shoot. Wala. Oy! Save the bell by Coral. Senyarosa. To Kadulom. 10 to shoot.
Ubus!
Wala pa rin. Rebound by Aldolan. Foul! Lain bangigin mga tig-a.
Grabe na.
4:40.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 40 seconds.
Tatlo na lang sir, tatlo.
Evangelio. Drive through. Basket by Evangelio. Peñas. Tocoral. Tocadulom. Oy, outside. Coral. To Senyarosa. To Sanko.
Oy!
Sanko.
Tabileg.
Nako mga makoy ito mga sentro ay.
Uwi. Kalsik lahat. Pati kiluluwa.
Evangelio. Screen Bero.
4 minutes.
Time remaining 4 minutes. Peñas. Oy, nice pass. Pero wala. Rebound by Kadulong. Peñas. Japante, dobe depensa. Back to Sanko. Paso sa Sanko. Sayang. Pero Tuadolan. Yeah! Mahabol ang blue team. White ball. Peñas. Tocoral. Set the play by Coral. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Wala. Ero. Ero. Yes. Time out. White team. Time.
256, sir.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 56 seconds. Score 34-38. Led by
37.
37. Led by white team. Blue team. Led by blue team. Grabe po talaga sa blue team ba? Let's play ball! And bound by Coral. Jose Rosa. To Coral. Jose Rosa. Atake. Oy! Silvairo. Paso Evangelio. Evangelio! Foul by Coral. Coral yung foul. Coral, third personal foul. 2 shots by Evangelio.
Nakawin anak ka ng CEO. Marikoy! Anak ka ng CEO.
Evangelio. Boy, wala. Last throw by Evangelio. Jumper.
Init nga ni.
Oy, wala pa rin. Evangelio. Evangelio. Yes. Oy, Silvero Geron, muntik na. Padulong.
2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. Padulong. Atake. Foul. By Evangelio. First personal. First personal foul by Evangelio. Time remaining 1 minute and 49 seconds. Coral. O Senyarosa. Senyarosa. Oy, short. Senyarosa again. 10 to shoot. Oy, wala. Outside by white team. Japante. Japante. Back to Adolan. Adolan. Nice pass to Evangelio. Yes. Power move. Time.
1 minute 10.
Time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds. Coral. Naganap ng pasahan. Sangko short.
55.
35 seconds remaining time. Erojo. Paso Japante. Japante tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Erojo. Erojo pull up. Wala pa rin. Kadulong. Paso Peñas. Peñas. 30 seconds. 30 seconds remaining time. Pero, Todolan. Evangelio. Pasero. Ero. Nilabas ang bola.
20.
Rebound by Kadulong. 15. Senyarosa. Oy! Foul by Adolan. 2 shots. Time.
10.
10 seconds remaining time. 2 shots ha. score, 34-41, led by blue team. Jumper!
Tan!
10 seconds remaining time. Made one by Senya Rosa. Adolan. Paso Evangelio.
5!
5 to shoot.
4!
4 to shoot. Evangelio. Bola for 3. Time is up. End of third quarter. Led by blue team, 35-41. Makoy-koy. Si Piñas na sinulod mga 3 saw. Nice rep. Rep. Diba yan? Diba puhon mga reparator sa mga lipan na ipi. Ba Euro pa nilin mo. Players. Pili na players ah.
Si Joya, si Joy.
Puta.
Nakapili na ko.
Bakit sige pili mo, Chris? Cute ka, gwapo lang giging pili mo. Ito din mo.
Pili na. Nakapili na. Para ka na din. Kasunod na sila. Same player.
Mamirsa ka daw.
Kapon, sa kadulungan sila. Araw mas kurang pili ka po.
Okay na, coach? Okay na? Oh, kaya na. Sadya, unta na yun. Shout out, Maniba. Let's play ball. Okay na.
Hindi kami kawaya.
Why na sa pasalot si Maniba nga pigaw niya, wala yung shoot niya. Tutok na niya, wala yung shoot niya. Ron, sulot.
Dinigay mo?
Lagi Ron. Sulot, lagi Ron. Okay na, kapit ka na. Sino pa isa? Sino pa? Ano iba? Sulot? Okay na, okay na. Okay, ball.
Let's go!
Oral. Topiñas.
Sige!
Losada.
Ay!
Tocoral. Coral. Foul by Didase. Adolan. Adolan. Last throw. Made one by Coral. And bound to Hadolan. Pass to Didase. Oh, outside by Didase. Umiinit na ang laban, Senya Rosa. Tolosada, wala, rebound by Hadolan. To Didase. Didase, kamera, ng dos. Uy, wala, rebound by Senya Rosa. Paso Losada. Losada, uy, anticipation play by Hadolan. Outside. Pinas for 3 again. Yes! Finish shot by Pinas. Pumasok din. Hadolan. Pass to Hadolan. Father and son. Oy! Outside by Requeron. Pass to Sanko. Sanko. Oy, still. Requeron. Requeron for 2. Oy, wala. Requeron again.
6 minutes.
Time remaining 6 minutes.
Latay. 4 minutes. Latay.
Time 6 minutes. Coral. Paso Lusada. Oy! Pumasok din. Hadolan. Coral, dumidepensa. Triple team. Pass to Requeron. Requeron. Signature shot. Wala. Rebound by Lusada. Pass to Sanko. Sanko. Pass to Piñas. To Lusada. To Coral. Coral. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Sanko. Yes. 2 points by Sanko. Time out. Blue team.
4 by 1.
Time remaining
4
4 minutes and 51 seconds. Remaining time. 4 minutes and 51. Led by White team. 43-41 with 2 points. 41-43. 2 points. Why pa? Why pa for me? Ma-text na kami yun, wala na.
Ano?
Ay!
Subya! Stay!
Sadya ko niya. Lumugtang. Coral, dumidepensa. Losada, oy! Top by Losada. Requeron. Grab the ball. Pass to Didase. Oy! Sayang yun. Coral. Coral. Yeah. Easy 2 by Coral. Hadolan. To Hadolan. Oy! Still by Sanko. Pass to Losada. Losada. Yes. 2 points by Losada. 47-41 ang score. Hadolan. Binabang bola.
4:50 at 3:50 time remaining.
Time remaining 3:50. Hadolan. Short. Sako, grab the ball. Coral. Coral. Hadolan, dumidepensa. Good. Coral again. Losada. Foul by Arnold. Ang 3 minutes. Third personal foul. By Lomon. Ilang time? Time remaining 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Stop na, pwede na kasap ang mga guwapo.
Time out.
Time out. Nagkas ka ba? Grabe kayo, init ang pangsubong. Losada, wala yung ginashoot mo. Two shots, ha?
Hindi ka nasandig mo, no?
Ebanghelyo. Toiro. Tongpontino. Yes! What a play by Blue Team. Dinosta. Siason de Depensa. Tolutsada. Toraki Boy. Moniba. Foul by Henete. Henete. Pila foul yan? Duay. Two personal foul by Henete. Sabay Jensky. Out Lusada. Jensky. Paso Banay. So Dinosta. Banay. Short. Henete. Paso Ero. Ero. Oy! Outside. Sayang. Dinosta. Bilang pang bola. Tojensky. Dinosta. Screen to Alipato. Double team. Tomoniba. Wala pa rin. Oy! Alipato. Sayang rebound. Siason. To Hinete. Hinete. Yes. Denosta. To Alipato. Alipato. Corner 3. Wala. Oy, Rebambero. Paso Hinete. Hinete. Oy! Foul by Alipato. 2 shots by Hinete. Grabe nga panganay. Score 47-45 led by White Team.
224.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 24 seconds. Last throw. Jumper. Wala pa rin. Dinosta. Oy, outside. IQ play by Dinosta. Jesse. To Rocky. Rocky boy. Oy, Silvero. Siason. Kickball. White team. Dinosta. Oy, sayang.
157.
Wala?
157.
Time remaining 1 minute and 57 seconds.
Futsal game.
Siason. Oy! Ano yun? Outside. Blue team. Bola. Tag sa referee. Alipato to Jinsky. Dinosta to Banay. Bangelio to Depensa. Shot clock. Banay! Oy! Monster Black by Pontino. 10 to shoot.
130.
Time remaining 1 minute and 30 seconds. And back by Jensky. To Moniba. Moniba spin move. Back to Alipato. Alipato. Oy! Traveling violation. 121 remaining time. Siason. To Iroho. To Hinete. Good. Oy, Silva Alipato. Foul by Evangelio. Why pa penalty?
Wala pa, 14 foul pa lang. Number 8 second personal.
Evangelio, 2 second personal foul. 2 personal foul.
Ganda na mag-blend.
Sab. Wala.
102 ah.
Time remaining, 1 minute. Jensky. For 3. Yeah! What a shot by Jensky. Brought to you by Dolphins Ball Club. Eroho drive. Oy! Foul. Hard foul by Moniba. Ilang foul? First personal foul. And foul by Evangelio. Time remaining. 40 seconds remaining time. Pontino back to Evangelio. Drive. Oy! Nice defense by Lipaco. Foul by Pontino. 40. Time remaining 40 seconds. 30. 30 seconds remaining time gila. Banay. Kojenski. Paso Dinosta. Kojenski. Moniba pull up. Oy! Pasa pala yun. Banay. 10 to shoot. Oy! Rebound by Dinosta. Dinosta to Jenski. Oy! Short. Time remaining 5 seconds. Oy! Basket. Time is up. End of fourth quarter. Last quarter. Score 47-50 led by White team. 3 points lead by White team. Bakod yung nakaripirita kondisyon, sikli padlaganon si White Rep, yun di po.
Redford White.
Oo. Shout out sa ato niya, gwapo nga repere nga si Redford and the house.
Part 40. Yung taga rin.
Sino po diya?
Ha?
Ang po diya nga
Si Lumia.
Long Mihia, the backup of Redford White. Kadalong back to the ball game.
Oh my God. Kalibat mo ba?
McCoy in the house again. Seryoso na mga player ta. Last quarter na niya. Eroho. To Gabales. Wala. Power rebound kay McCoy. Wala pa rin. Blow in. Shot clock. 14 shot clock. Gabales. Nice G by Kadulong. Outside. White ball. Banay. Uy! Sumabay pa kayo. Eroho. Togobales. Paso hinite. Signature shot. Short. Rebound by Pontino. Yes. Lamang na ang matangkad. Banay again. Grabe ka. Ingat si Banay. McCoy. Eroho. Pull up. Wala. Pontino. Yes. Foul by Alipato. 2 shots by Pontino.
Alipato 2.
Alipato, second personal foul. Sab. Wala pa.
6-4-4.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 44 seconds. Last row. Wala pa rin. White ball.
Alipato.
Foul. 3 personal foul by, sino to?
Ay, hindi.
Sino to?
Sa Tugalis si Makoy, second.
Second personal foul by McCoy. Jensky. So, Alipato. Alipato, Piruway, short. White ball. And bound by Banay. To Kadulom. 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 Wala. Ero. To Gabales. Gabales. Wala pa rin. Gabales. Gabales. Oy! Nice day by Moneba. Blue ball. Moneba.
Yeah!
To Ero. 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 To Evangelio. Oy, wala. Rebound by Banay. Pass Alipato. Alipato. Oy, nice block by Puntino. Jensky. Foul by Puntino. Grabe mga depensa. Time remaining. 5:31 remaining time. Sub rep. Sub rep.
Tama na ba?
And Dinasta out, Alipato. And bound by Kadulong. To Dinasta. Oy, outside. Blue ball. Okay. Ero. To Evangelio.
Misera!
Pasero. Ero. To Puntino. Wala pa rin. Gabales. To Raque. Raque Moneba. Oy! Foul by Gabales. 2 shots.
Why?
Wala. Wala. Pass ball.
Passport.
5 minutes. Time remaining. 5 minutes. Wala.
9 was our 9.
Isa lang mo na ba?
4-9.
Time remaining. 5 minutes.
5 minutes lang.
Made one by Moneva. Eroho. To Bangelio. Wala. Ospaul.
12.
12. Si Ramos. Padulong. Foul. 2 shots. Score. 55. Ilan?
55-49.
Sub repa. 55-49. Lead by White team. And one. Sub. Substitution out. Moniba. Senyaro sa N.
4-9.
Jensky. To Senyarosa. Back to Jensky. To Senyarosa again. Yes! What a shot. By Senyarosa. Eroho. To Makoy. Makoy. To Eroho. 10 to shoot. Evangelio. 5 to shoot. Wala. Rebound by Puntino. Ay. Makoy. To Evangelio. Ay, wala. Sayang. Banay. Wala pa bola. 3 minutes. 3 minutes and 40 remaining time. Dinosta. 10 to shoot. Kadulong. Save by Jensky. 5 to shoot. Oy! Paso ako. To Ebanghelio. Ebanghelio. Oy! Wow. Two shots by Ebanghelio.
3:15.
3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. Led by White Team.
Dahil nagsasabol ako.
Score 58, 40 plus lang.
58-60.
51 na.
51. Basket. Substitution. Sub. Time ta. 3:58.
15.
15.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Jensky. To Dinasta.
Malawag lang, 10 na.
Kailang malawag lang.
10.
10 to shoot. Senya Rosa for 3. Wala. Rebound by Kadulong. Yes! Power move by Kadulong. Eroho. Screen by Puntino. Eroho. Wala. Outside. White ball. 2:42 remaining time. Genostra. Back to Genostra. Set to play. Screen by Kadulong. Oy!
Oy! Ano rap?
Timeout kami, sir. Timeout kami.
Ano?
Ambot mo na. Ambot. Nauna.
Time out.
Time out. Blue team.
2:24.
Time remaining 2:24. Remaining time. Score? 52-60 led by White Team. 8 points ang labanan. So, 24 remaining time. 24. Valdemar, Toirojo. Paso Siason, back to Irojo. Irojo, pull up. Wala. Rebound by Valdemar. Double team.
21, tatlo.
Wala.
Okay lang yan. Anak ka ng CEO. Ha?
Take ball.
Tatlo, 14.
Low ball. Time remaining 2 minutes.
5.
Oy! 2 points by Hernete.
Sabi na yun, Miga.
What a play by Pontino. Linas na.
Pagin na. Comeback ba yun?
Siason, dumidepensa. Take the shoot. Jensky. Good. 5 to shoot. Wala. Rebound by Evangelio. Paso Iroho.
1 minute 30.
Oy! Paso Siason. Substitution. Time.
125.
1 minute and 25 seconds remaining time. 1:25. 1. Score 60-54, led by white ball.
Ilang kayo ba?
123.
Made one by Cadulo. Players, basta ng players nyo. Okay na? Okay na? May time out. Wala.
Isa-isa, time out, Bilin.
Time out yun, isa-isa. Pabili na, isa-isa. And bound by Jensky to Dinosta. Dinosta.
Ten.
10 to shoot. Senyarosa. Kabanay. Ball fake Kabanay. Oy, wala. Senyarosa. Jensky. Wala. Ribabero.
55.
35 seconds. To Siason. Oy, foul by Senyarosa. 2 shots by Siason. Time remaining 51 seconds remaining time. Pwede ka mo ka-time out, ha? Pwede ka mo ka-time out, coach. May isa pa ka mo.
51 seconds.
51 seconds, score 61-54.
Ilang dos na lang.
Stopwatch mo rin kay, ano mo. Last row. Made one by Siason. And bound to Jensky. Oh, outside. Blue team. And bound by Evangelio. To Siason. Siason for 3. Wala. Rebound by Cadulong. Foul by Inete. Time remaining 43 seconds remaining time.
Penalty.
Penalty rep. Penalty.
Bottings na penalty.
43 na lang. 43. Ang remaining time, 43 seconds. Di ka mo malipat ha, kadulong vlog ha. Bisan ka sa anak niya, kadulong niya gyapon.
Salamat, ang matulog.
Sa anak ko ni pananawan niya kay way patik pala niya ga. Oy, wala. Rebound by Puntino. Pasero. Eroho, atake. Oy, nice pass to Henete. Henete to points. Time remaining 32 seconds. 30 seconds. Kadulom again. Yes. And down by Puntino. Toiro. Eroho, atake. Yes. Oy, wala. Henete, foul by Dinosta. Time. 16 seconds remaining time. 16 seconds remaining time. Score? 57-63. Basket. May time out pa ka mo isa.
Mag-basket time out kami.
Mag-basket time out sila. Last throw by Hinite. Time out, blue team. Score? 59-63. Apat lang ang lead. Isang white ball, isang white team. 16 seconds. 16 seconds remaining time. Kadulong.
Oh, kaya sa ganyo.
May niya kasi nanggan dulong na ginihipin niya. May lang nga uniform puti eh. Play ball. And bound by Senya Rosa. To kadulong. Foul by Gabales. 2 shots.
Ay, pamatak na tayo.
14.
Away pa.
Penalty.
Penalty na. Penalty na. 2 shots by Kadulong. Ha?
Oo, isa lang.
May isa pa kami ka time out.
Time out ka mo.
May time mark mo, Coach.
Wala na?
Made 1 by Kadulong. Last shot. 16. May time out sila kung mag-shoot. Oy, rebound by Puntino.
Jeff.
Shots on. 10 seconds remaining time. Ero. Wala. 5 seconds remaining time. Wala pa rin. End of the game. Winner, white team. Congratulations for the winner, white team. Nice game. Nice game.
Why not natin?